In triangle ABC, prove that sin A by 2 plus sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2 is equals to 1 plus 4 sin pi minus A by 4 into sin pi minus B by 4 into sin pi minus C by 4. So here it is given that ABC is a triangle. It means the sum of angles in a triangle, which is A plus B plus C, is equals to 180 degrees or pi. So let us take the RHS of the given question, which is 1 plus sin pi minus A by 4 into sin pi minus B by 4 into sin pi minus C by 4. Now we will separate the two terms, two sin terms, with one of the two. 4 can be written as 2 times 2. So with 1, 2 we will separate the two terms. The other term we will separate with the other two. For example, here I am taking B and C as one part and pi minus A by 4 as one part. So I am writing this 1 as 1 and 4 we are writing this as 2 and 2 separately. Now with the first two I am writing B and C. You can take anything, A, B, the combination of A, B and C you can write separately. So here we are taking B and C first and 2 into sin of pi minus A by 4. So the first two terms, this is in the form of 2 sin pi minus B by 4 sin pi minus C by 4, which is in the form of 2 sin A sin B. So we know the formula of 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B can be written as cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So this can be written as cos of A is pi minus B by 4 and B is pi minus C by 4. So A minus B, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. A plus B means pi minus B by 4 plus pi minus C by 4. And this sin pi minus A by 4 as it is we are writing. Again here, because the denominator is same, so we can sum up the numerators, which is pi minus B, minus of minus pi is minus pi, minus of minus C is plus C. And similarly here pi minus B plus pi minus C. So here pi minus pi will get cancelled. So the remaining terms are cos of C minus B by 4 minus cos of, here pi plus pi is 2 pi, minus of B plus C into 2 sin pi minus A by 4. So we can write as 1 plus cos of C minus B by 4 and 2 pi minus of B plus C and 2 into sin of pi minus A by 4. Next, this 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so we can cut it and write as pi by 2. Here this is in the form of cos this is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So in place of theta we have B plus C by 4. So cos of pi by 2 minus B plus C by 4 can be written as sin of B plus C by 4. Now this is in the form of cos C minus cos D. Or we can even multiply here with sin. We can resolve by multiplying also. 2 sin pi minus A by 4 into cos C minus B by 4 minus of 2 sin B plus C by 4 into 2 sin pi minus A by 4. So multiplying this here. Now we have two terms. First term is 2 into sin pi minus A by 4 into cos of C minus B by 4. And the second one is 2 into sin of pi minus A by 4 into sin of B plus C by 4. The first term is in the form of 2 sin A cos B and the second one is in the form of 2 sin A sin B. So the formula for 2 sin A cos B is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. And the formula for second one, which is 2 sin A sin B, is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Now rewriting this in the simplified manner. So 2 sin A cos B can be written as sin of A plus B. So this is sin of A plus B. Here A is pi minus A by 4 and B is C minus B by 4 plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B is pi minus A by 4 minus C minus B by 4. And again this minus. Here we have 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So cos of A minus B is pi minus A by 4 minus of B plus C by 4 minus of cos of pi minus A by 4 plus B plus C by 4. Here, right, because the denominator is same, we can write in the single numerator for all the 4 terms. We can write as pi minus a plus c minus b by 4, and here we can write pi minus a minus c minus of minus b is plus b minus cos of pi minus a by 4, pi minus a minus b minus c by 4, and minus times minus, here it will become plus, and cos of pi minus a plus b plus c by 4. Now here pi plus c, in place of pi we can write a plus b plus c for the first term. Since a plus b plus c is pi, b plus c, in the last term we can replace b plus c as pi minus a. So a plus b plus c in place of pi, and c minus a minus b. Minus a minus b is cancelled with plus a plus b. Here in place of pi we are writing a plus b plus c. Again minus a minus c will get cancelled with a and c. So we have b and b here. Here we have pi minus a plus b plus c is pi only. So pi minus pi is 0. This term will become 0. Cos of 0. Cos of pi minus of a, in place of b plus c we can write pi minus a. So this will become pi plus pi 2 pi minus a, and minus a is minus 2a. So 1 plus 2 sine, here what is left, c plus c, 2c by 4. Here b and b, so b plus b is 2b by 4 minus the third term is cos of 0 plus cos of 2 pi minus 2a by 4. We can take 2 common in the numerator, or we can separate the terms 2 pi by 4 minus 2a by 4. And cos 0 is 1, so we will write 1 in place of cos 0. Here we are separating 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 is nothing but pi by 2, which is 90 degrees. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So in place of theta we have a by 2 here. So cos 90 minus theta is sin a by 2. Therefore sin a by 2 plus sin b by 2 plus sin c by 2, which is our LHS.